To make a button, you need three things. You need the button paper, you need the button back, you need a button blank, and you need a piece of what we call mylar, but the plastic that goes over the button. This is what the part that you kind of feel and see. Step one, take the blank of the button, the smooth side, not the side with the notches, the smooth side goes up, and it should sit in the middle of that. It should just sit in there real nice. It should go right in. The paper goes in the top of the button. There's a little notch there, but the top of the button is the top of the holder. So I'm going to make sure that my Twisted Devil's head is pointed straight up and down. And then the mylar, the plastic. Flip that all the way around until it stops. You'll hear a click. You'll pull the handle. This is not hard to pull. This one just goes down, and you'll feel kind of a thump. You'll feel it just kind of fall in there when you pull. So I have pull, 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 and then all of a sudden, that's it. That's all it's going to take. I don't have to pull anymore. Once it gives that little flump, it's in. You take the back, the pin side, the part that goes into your clothes, the part that pins it on, goes down. You should see the little kind of wiggy-waggy side up. Again, the top is toward the middle. The top is the top of the holder. Flip that around, and this is the one that takes a little bit more pressure. But what I want is enough pressure to close this gap. It's not going to take everything that I have in my world, but I'm going to pull, and I'm going to pull pretty hard. It's going to go down a little bit, and then it's got to go down a little bit more. And once this gap is closed off, you have made your button. It doesn't take a ton, but it does take a little bit. The button should then pop out, and you've made yourself a perfect button.